Hello friends. So in my last video on my experience with Udemy, my first month with Udemy, I had talked to you about the research which I did about the platform and how to go about it. And I also shared with you some of the tips and techniques for making it successful on Udemy as instructor and uploading your courses and uploading your lectures, quizzes, assignments. So friends, now that almost 2 months have been passed and I have been uploading my courses on Udemy. So I have a better idea about the platform. I can share with you my experiences, tips and techniques better on the courses, on creating lectures and the prospects which are related with Udemy, and very importantly the enrollments, the students' enrollments. So friends, having spent 2 months with Udemy and already uploaded 5 courses which are live already, especially the courses on exports, digital marketing, or the course on Bitcoin and blockchain, and the course related to practical exports marketing skills and how to become a successful exporter, how to set up your online business, export business instantly. So friends, I'm very much satisfied that I have already certain good number of courses which are already live on Udemy. And the best thing what has happened in last 2 months is that starting from approximately 500 students which were enrolled in my first month, which I shared with you in my last video, today the total number of students who are enrolled in these 5 courses have already surpassed 19,000. So that's a huge number of the students, and the total number of enrollments in the entire set of 5 courses on Udemy which are live has already surpassed a figure of 34,000 enrollments. So friends, that's a very unexpected and very reassuring and motivating factor that such a large enrollments from all over the world I have received for my 5 courses. To give you an idea, I just want to share with you that the students are from 155 countries from around the world. And friends, out of this, the maximum number of the students are definitely from India, but they constitute only 32% of this total number of students. Rest of the students are from the other countries. So I will show you on the Udemy platform, I will show you the statistics about the students. So you will get an idea that what is the composition of these enrolled students, and it will be interesting for you to see these enrollments. So friend, as you can see here that in last more than 2 months, which I have already surpassed, and starting from 500 students, I have already reached to this number, which is 19,178 students. So friends, you can see here that the Udemy platform shows you this map to show that what are the students' location, languages, numbers, percentage, and this map you can see the reach of the courses, of the 5 courses which are already uploaded in last 2 months with Udemy. you can see this reach of the students, of the 19,000 plus students. And friends, here you can see that the students are from 155 countries. Almost 32% are from India, 5.5% are from US, 5% are from Bangladesh, 4.4% from Israel, 4.3% from Egypt, and 78% of the students speak English, 4.3% of the enrolled students speak French, 3.1% speak German, 2.9% Spanish, and 2.1% Hebrew. So friends, this is a very reassuring, very motivating statistics, and the achievement which I have been able to make in last 2 months is very satisfying to me. And as I had mentioned to you in my last video on this subject, I had told you that our job is to focus on the courses and leave the marketing to Udemy. So the marketing part is taken care by Udemy platform. So I only share the links to some of my contacts, my past students, and some of my links on LinkedIn or on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. So occasionally I share about the progress of my courses, the titles of my courses, the referral links of my courses on these social platforms. As well as, friends, I also try to create YouTube videos and share my experiences with you. In addition to that, friends, there are certain communication tools, email services for communicating with the students on Udemy, wherein the individual students keep on sending some questions to me about the courses, some doubts, some queries. Sometimes they send the solutions for the assignments which are there in the courses, which are very, very important, because the assignments help you to engage the students. That is very, very important, because ultimately they help in the personal one-to-one engagement with the students, and Udemy promotes that part, that you are able to engage with the students. So there are certain promotional as well as academic emails which you can send to all the students which are enrolled in your courses. So they have a very limited number of such emails, but those emails have to be utilized to send some kind of quizzes, some kind of contest, or some kind of assignment which you can send, and maybe in the next email after a week you can send the solutions for these quizzes or assignments or any contest. So these are some of the tools which you are supposed to use and be active on communicating with the students, engaging the students. The focus should be academic. The marketing side can be left to Udemy platform. So with this, I'm happy to inform you that whatever I shared with you in my last video and whatever I have shared with you in my this video which you are seeing, I can only tell you that the progress takes some time on Udemy. The courses reach will take some time for everybody. Focus on the quality, focus on your courses, focus on the contents, focus on the quality of videos and audio, and make sure they are flawless, they are error free, and look at your narration, look at your grammar on the courses, and of course look at the flow of the topics. Keep the videos short and keep the sections also not having more than say 7 to 8 video clips or maximum 10 video clips. So I think friends, if you follow some of these tips and techniques, I'm sure the number of enrollments will keep on increasing. Like I have just shown you that in last 2 months, this enrollment progress is quite satisfying. So it is very much possible to have this kind of number of students on Udemy platform. And the best thing is that you can focus on your academic delivery, on your lectures, on your courses, on your curriculum, topic and content. So my best wishes to you. If you want to become instructor on Udemy, I will be back with my more videos, such videos on the same topic next time. Thank you very much.